how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you accidentally deleted a note on your iPhone and want to recover it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Notes app, and then you can see arrow at the top left. Tap on it, and then here you can see the recently deleted folder. Tap on it and just tap on the note that you want to recover, and then tap on move, and now you can move it to the notes. And there you go. Now the notes have been recovered, but make sure that you do it within 30 days of deletion. Otherwise, your notes will be permanently deleted. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.